In the world of technology, there is a very fine line between a gadget and a masterpiece. For over a decade, Apple has toyed with our emotions regarding the iPad mini, and years of silence, followed by sudden, incremental updates that left us wanting more. But as we stand here in 2026, the atmosphere has shifted. The whispers coming out of Cupertino are no longer about minor refreshes or basic speed bumps. We are talking about a seismic shift in the foundation of mobile computing. We are talking about the iPad mini M5. For the first time in history, the smallest tablet in Apple's lineup is being groomed to become the most powerful. Why would Apple put a desktop-class M5 chip into a device that fits in your jacket pocket? What secret project is this hardware truly being built for? Today, we are pulling back the curtain. We are penalized the supply chain events, the internal leaks from the May event previews, and the revolutionary supercore architecture of the M5 silicon. If you think the iPad mini is just a secondary device for reading and light browsing, you are about to be proven wrong in the most dramatic way possible. Sit back and pay close attention, because the iPad mini M5 isn't just a tablet. It's the beginning of a new era in human-computer interaction. The story of the iPad mini has always been one of potential. While the iPad Pro pushed the boundaries of what a screen could do, and the iPad Air focused on the mainstream, the mini remained the favorite of the purists. Pilots, doctors, and elite gamers stuck by it because of its perfect form factor. But they were always hampered by hand-me-down practitioners. With the M5 generation, the hierarchy is being demolished. Apple is reportedly moving to a unified architecture where the Mini 8 or Mi Pro finally receives the M-series silicon. This isn't just about speed, it's about the supercore. The M5 chip features a high-performance CPU core that Apple engineers are calling the fastest single-threaded processor on the planet. Putting this into an 8.3-inch screen is like putting a jet engine into a go-kart. It changes the physics of what you can accomplish while standing in line at a coffee shop or sitting at a pleed. But let's address the massive elephant in the room: the display. For years, the Mini has been plagued by the jelly scrolling controversy and a standard 60Hz refresh rate. In a world where even budget phones have 120Hz, the Mini felt like a relic. That ends with the M5 model. The leaks are pointing toward a tandem OLED display. This isn't a standard OLED. There is 2 layers of line-emitting diodes working in perpetuity to produce astounding nets of full-screen brightness. Imagine the deepest blacks and the most vivid colors you've ever seen, now paired with 120Hz ProMotion refresh rate. This isn't just a screen upgrade, it's a visual awakening. The M5's next-generation GPU, with its dedicated neural accelerator, will drive these pixels with such efficiency and the jelly scroll won't just be fixed. It'll be a distant, bad mirror. Why is the USA audience so obsessed with this specific update? Because of Apple Intelligence 2.0. In 2026, AI isn't just a chatbot. It's an operating system. The M5 chip is built from the ground up to handle massive on-device large language models. The US market is moving toward a